Hi! Please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon right next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video, and it's absolutely free.
Hello my beauties! Welcome to another episode of DIY Wednesdays, and today we are gonna get rid of that pesky little parasite dwelling on your scalp. Yep, talking about Mr. D here, also goes by the name dandruff. So most of us have suffered with this dandruff problem at least once in their life. For some it's seasonal, while for many others it's a lifelong problem. So let's not waste any more time, let's get into the DIY. Oh, and did I tell you that this is a requested video? Yeah, I get requests now. My channel is growing. Woohoo! So subscribe, be a part of my family. Well, enough self-promotion, let's get into the DIY now. I know you'll subscribe anyway. I know you will. Oh, you will. I know you will. Okay, I'm going.
So here's what you'll need to make this anti-dandruff hair mask. First of all, you're gonna need my all-time favorite hair and skincare ingredient, aloe vera gel. And this time I am using natural aloe vera gel extracted from aloe leaf itself. You can use the store-bought ones, just make sure that the ones that you use have minimum chemicals and added fragrance or coloring. There are several reasons that can cause dandruff, but the most common one is dry skin. Aloe vera has great moisturizing property that can prevent your skin from becoming dry and flaky, and it also makes your hair healthier and shinier. Aloe vera also contains natural antifungal property which will not just get rid of dandruff, it will also prevent it from reoccurring. So here I have about 4 cubes of natural aloe vera gel. I'm gonna give this a quick go in the blender, and that will make it more easier to work with. The next thing we're gonna need is extra virgin 100% raw and organic coconut oil. Now coconut oil is an amazing moisturizer. It keeps dryness away, and I don't even have to tell you guys about the benefits that it has on your hair and scalp health. In case you don't want to use coconut oil, you can go for olive oil. It works perfectly fine as a substitute for coconut oil in this remedy. So now just add about a tablespoon of your coconut oil or olive oil to your aloe vera gel. Finally, add 5 to 6 drops of 100% pure tea tree oil to your oil mixture. Tea tree oil is antifungal, antibacterial, and it's all natural, and it will cure any fungal infection on your scalp that may be causing the dandruff, and will also give you relief from itchy and dry scalp. Now just mix it all well and get ready to apply. I should warn you though, if you're using natural aloe vera gel, this mixture is going to be really slimy. But what would you rather have on your head? Slime for just a couple of hours or dandruff forever? So just deal with it. Apply this mask all over your scalp and massage it in for 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, cover your head with a shower cap or a plastic bag, and after a couple of hours, wash off your hair with your regular clarifying shampoo. And done! You are dandruff free now.
So I hope you liked this video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, bell icon, comment, share. Bye bye. And yes, stay beautiful.